we go.
You're like a Pop-Tart, sweet, but with some tea. Let me see that frosting, let me see what's underneath. They say it's bad for you, I don't really care, it's good for me. Just give it to me rare, don't toast it, don't heat it, keep it, ever eat it. I want the sugar, want the flavor, give me now, I'll take it later. Here we go.